Elevate your space with herringbone curtains, style, functionality, and allure. Unraveling the herringbone pattern. The herringbone fabric pattern is a zigzag or V-shaped design. Thicker fabric for an air of luxury. The benefits of herringbone fabric. The herringbone pattern adds texture and depth to the curtains. This thick fabric helps to reduce noise, creates a peaceful and tranquil ambience for your guests. Exploring chevron color variations. Pleat options and their drape. Pleat options: single pleat, double pleat, triple pleat, box pleat, inverted box pleat, drape style, rod pocket, back tab, leather tab, grommets. Fabric lining and blackout options. For ultimate light control and to create a cozy sleep environment, medium weight lining is an excellent choice. Optimal usage and styling tips. They are well suited for all spaces, such as living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, office spaces, and formal sitting areas, to create a more elegant and formal look. Visit now casamorinternational.com.